Hello, my friends. I am so glad you're here today. My name is Miss Eileen. My friends, what do you see? What do you see? I see a Christmas tree too. My friends, today we are going to read a story. The story's title is Christmas Tree. How cool! This story's title is called Christmas Tree. And the authors of the story is Pearl Yo, Qinghua, and Ben Liff. There are three authors for this story. Three. How special! They are authors are people who write the story, who write the words to the story. Illustrated by Siming Liao. Illustrated means Siming Liao is the illustrator. This person drew all the beautiful pictures of this entire storybook. The kitty, the presents, the beautiful Christmas tree was drew by Siming Liao. How talented, right? My friends, let's dig into the story. Christmas is coming. We are so excited. Yay! Look, what do you see? I see a family. How many people do you see? Let's count. 2, 3, 4. There are 4 people in this family. My friends, do you see snow falling down the sky? Whoa, the snow? What color is the snow? What color is the snow? Yeah, the snow is white. My goodness. What is this? What is this round, fluffy thing? Yeah, that is a snowman. Oh, it is so cute. Daddy, Mommy, my sister, and I go to get a Christmas tree. Whoa, they are going to get a Christmas tree. My friends, they are driving a car. Boop, boop. They're driving a car to get a Christmas tree. Wow. What do you see, my friends? There are so many trees. We choose a tree that is taller than my dad. Wow. Mommy, sister, daddy, and me. Wow. This is the tree that is taller than dad. Wow. Mommy wraps the tree with ribbons. My sister helps mommy decorate the tree. Whoa, mommy is wrapping the ribbon around the tree. Sister is decorating the tree. What color is this flower, my friends? What color is that? It is red. This is a red flower. Awesome. Daddy lay wooden beads on the branches of the tree. I help decorate the tree with ornaments. Whoa, Dad is laying these wooden beads. Wooden beads are little tiny spheres made of wood. They are so pretty. And I am decorating the tree with ornaments. Ooh, this is a little bell. Ooh, these are little ball ornaments. What is this? This is a gingerbread man. Oh, this tree is so beautiful. Oh, even the little cat, meow meow, is saying meow meow. It's so beautiful. Daddy and Mommy put the lights on the tree. They are so beautiful. Whoa, these are the lights. Beautiful, colorful lights. There are so many colors. Wow, it is so beautiful. Finally, I put a big golden bow on the top of our Christmas tree. Whoa, this is the big golden bow. It's going on top on the tree. Wow, it is so beautiful. On Christmas Eve, we sing carols with family and friends. La la la. On Christmas Day, we open presents and eat a feast. Nom, 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 nom. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. Wow. What a great way and what a great time to spend with your family and friends. My friends, this is the end of our Christmas tree story. I hope you enjoyed this story as much as I did. I hope I will see you very soon with a brand new story. See you soon.